Working in drywall, you already know how physical and detailed orientated your job is. But what happens when accidents occur? Whether it's injuries, property damage, or legal claims, Drywall Contractors Insurance is your first line of defense. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today we will explore how this essential coverage can keep your business secure. Drywall contractors face unique risks daily, such as injury risks. The physical labor in drywall installation increases the chances of workplace accidents. Property damage. Mishaps like drywall dust damaging furniture or your tools scratching surfaces are common on job sites. Legal liabilities. Clients may file claims if they believe your work caused damage or harm. Insurance shields you from costly payouts and safeguards you both your business and your reputation. Drywall contractors encounter various hazards, including fallouts. Ladders and scaffolding add to the risk of injury. Cuts and bruises. Handling sharp tools and heavy sheets of drywall can lead to accidents. Respiratory issues. Exposure to drywall dust can harm your team's health without proper precautions. Equipment failures. Faulty tools may cause unexpected downtime or even injury. Comprehensive insurance ensures you're prepared for these risks. Here's what drywall insurance typically covers. Starting off with bodily injury. For injury caused by your work, like a client tripping over unsecured materials. Property damage, which covers accidental damage like plaster ruining a homeowner's carpet, or personal injury, which protects against claims for emotional or reputational harm, and advertising injury, which safeguards you from claims like copyright infringements in marketing. Medical payouts, which covers treatments for injuries caused by your operations. Tailored coverage is your key to protecting your business from these potential issues. Your work is fundamental to every project, so don't let accidents derail your business. With Drywall Insurance, you can focus on delivering quality results while staying protected. Are you ready to get started? Visit contractorsliability.com today to receive a free customized quote in just a few minutes from A-rated insurance companies throughout the United States. It's coverage you can trust.